like a family tree. Part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're at Indian Top Star Model, Mr., Miss, Mrs., Teen, Kids, Trans, the National Level Beauty Pageant of 2024. Give it a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Jorak Chapale Kore, you're at Indian Top Star Model, the National Level Beauty Pageant 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, you're at Indian Top Star Model, the National Level Beauty Pageant of 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, you're at the Indian Top Star Model, the National Level Beauty Pageant for 2024. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, can we give a big show? You're witnessing the Miss Catch category of the national level beauty pageant for the Indian Top Star Model. Indian Top Star Model, the national level beauty pageant for 2024. Categories are Teen, Miss, Mrs. and Trans. Star Model, the national level beauty pageant. You witness the Teen, Miss, Mrs. and Trans category. Now, ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause for all the Miss category, the Teen category, the Trans category. You're at India's Top Star Model, the national level beauty pageant for 2024. You're witnessing the Indian Top Star Model, the national level beauty pageant. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at Indian Top Star Model, the national level beauty pageant. You're witnessing the Indian Top Star Model for the category Teen, Miss, Trans, Mrs. category. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We stand so proud in being representing our heritage culture, the Mother Earth, the Mother India, representing diversity, unity. India stands strong across all the globe. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Our culture, our heritage, as well as the motherland, India. Aren't we all proud of India, our motherland? Across globe, India has been representing the heritage of a culture as well as a unique unity and diversity. Today we stand strong with colorful colors. Congratulations to all the contestants representing the Mother Earth, India, the heritage, the culture. We stand unity across all the diversity in the unity of the states. Come on, give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Representing Mother India across the globe, be it Shushmita Sen, be it Priyanka Chopra, all of us have borne the nationality which has made Mother India very proud. The heritage, the rich culture of India, we stand unity across all the states. Congratulations to all the contestants. Come on, give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Do you remember this is the Miss category? We just had earlier to this, we had the Mrs. category. Can I have big round of applause? Jorak Chappala Kodi, come on. We are so proud to be Indian. Be it Priyanka Chopra, be it Harna Sandhu. India stands his rich culture, rich heritage, diversity, unity across the color. Great. I just was screaming so much about Mother India, our rich culture. We were so lucky. What makes me a good MC, what makes me a good voiceover artist is when I do such projects, makes me feel very happy of being the proud Indian that we are today. Do you agree with me, sir? Yes. You represent and you run your own PR company. And today we stand so proud, the colors, the states, the unity, be it Priyanka, Shushmita Sen, they all represented the motherland, India. We stand so unity in all different states, right? We stand so much unity, different colors, different heritage. Today at Anish Creations, at India Top Star Model, gave us the opportunity for us to be the proud Indian as well as the children of Mother India. Once again, big round of applause for all the contestants and to you guys. Without any further delay, we will call upon the Mr. category. Can I have the Mr. categories line up, please? Ladies and gentlemen, give them a big round of applause. Come on, can we cheer them up?
कलिच्चल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्बलम्बितं भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिका.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Mr. category who stands strong and proud of family responsibility, social responsibility, anxiety, as well as representing the true culture of the Mr. category. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a big round of applause. We're representing the true culture of manhood. Ladies and gentlemen, you're at India Top Star Model, the national level beauty pageant for the year 2024. You're witnessing the strong men, the Mr. category. Come on, give them a big round of applause. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, can we hear some cheers?
Padma sambhava, Padma sambhava, Padma sambhava, Padma sambhava, Dalai Lama, Dalai Lama, Dalai Lama. Lama tashidele, Lama tashidele, Lama tashidele, Lama tashidele, Sambhava, Padma Sambhava, Padma Sambhava, Padma Sambhava, Dalai Lama, Dalai Lama, Padma Sambhava, Padma Sambhava, Padma Sambhava, Padma
coming. Ladies and gentlemen, today we just witnessed the Mr. category. We need to support more of the Mr. category. We need to encourage the men, be it the teenagers, be it the youngsters on the Mr. category, should support them, get them out as they face a lot of society pressure, a lot of family commitments. This such events helps them to focus on the passion. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we stood so strong in the teen, Miss and Mrs. category. Today, the Mr. category model represented the manlyhood, the manhood, the kingdom. Today we stand so proud in representing our state, our culture, our rich heritage, as well as the Mother Earth. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. These are contestants for the Mr. category for the India Top Star Model 2024, the national level pageant. Any step. Joy Chappala Kodi, others, that's what we dance.
Are you nervous? Yes or no? No? Are you nervous? Okay. Are you guys prepared for your question answer round? Yes? Okay. So, my question for you is, what is your strength and what is your weakness?
My weakness is my audience. My strength is my cameraman.
When audience are not there, when cameraman is not there, what is your strength and what is your weakness?
Me myself is my strength.
Okay. Weakness?
I don't have any weakness.
As well as Mr. Sudha. Can I have Mr. Sudha? These two finalists. These two finalists from the Mr. category would be taking home the crown of India Top Star Model, the national level beauty pageant. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Can we give a big round of applause to these two men who have secured the spots for the top two finalists at the India Top Star Model, the national level pageant. Should we do a countdown? Yes. Any guesses? Audience, any guesses? Susta, tired, yenaithu, tumba poor, tumba very down. We are coming to end the show. Come on, jury members, any guesses? Come on, Jorage, come on, you can go back home and be quiet. Jorage, come on, I need more hype. See, I need to ask juries because it's a very tough competition. We had a very limited seats at the Mr. category. Ladies and gentlemen, the top star, model, national level beauty pageant. You're witnessing the western round of teen category.
She was the perfect one. She really put it on. I had to write a song. Hey, sexy lady, driving me nuts. I like it though. Your body's banging. Sexy lady, out of control. You put it on me. You know you got that feeling to flow. Only you can make me scream and beg for more. Sexy lady, you got me crazy. Bring on and on and on. Hey, sexy lady, you got me crazy. Bring on and on and on.
You're extra sexy like whoa, and you make me wanna say hi. When you shake it down low. Girl, you make it to rock it now.
Lie,
Girl, I like the way how you flow. Every time you're passing me by. Girl, you wiggle it, jiggle it, and oh, and you make it to rock it now.
lie. Hey, sexy lady, I like your flow.
What up?
Your body's banging, out of control. You put it on me.
Put it on me, baby.
Ceiling to floor, only you can make me scream and beg for more.
Moist.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're witnessing the Miss category for the western round.
मर जाऊं मर जाऊं तेरे इश्क पे मर जाऊं मर जाऊं मर जाऊं तेरे इश्क पे मर जाऊं मेरे सपनों का जैसे खत है गिर गिर चाहत की जैसे लत है मर जाऊं मर जाऊं
also did. I saw the models were really happy. This is the Western round for India Top Star Model, the National Level Beauty Pageant 2024. You witnessed the teen, Miss, Mrs. and Trans. You have witnessed the teen category. You have witnessed the teen category, the Miss category, Mrs. category, as well as trans. For now, we have the teen models sitting right in front of you. Can I have Asif, our respected jury member, to come up on stage? Come on, give a big round of applause to these gorgeous ladies who are standing here. These are the champions of tomorrow. These are teen category models. Come on, jorak chappale kodi. Elli sound e keltala, sumne kai. Can I have all the jury members on stage, please? Yaru answer madile, bari a madam answer madido. So, jury members, we like you to do the interaction. Asif, we like you to do the interaction. Question answer. See, jury members, you got to be more sportive and come up on stage without any delay. Without any delay, please come up on stage and do the interactions so that we all can head home. Please.
So, are you guys nervous? Girls? Teens? I don't, yaru teens tarane ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ ತರ ಇದಾರಪ್ಪ. Look at the confidence, man.
ಇದು ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಟೀನ್ಸ್ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದಾರಾ? ನಾನೇ ಟೀನ್ಸ್ ತರ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಲಿ. Okay, my question is, good name?
Nisarga.
Okay. Nisarga, according to you, in this modeling fashion industry, color is very important. Is color important in this industry?
No, I don't think so. Like, color determination doesn't matter. While you're confident, that doesn't matter actually. Self-confidence is main.
You can rest your legs, models. You can rest your feet. You don't have to stand in one leg. You can rest on both your feet.
No. They want to be in two stand.
My next question is, my question for you is, who is your role model? Who is your inspiration and why? Except your parents, please.
You're my inspiration. Because I'm seeing you from 3 years. I know how you work. I know how you do your works with very confidence, and I love the way you do. So I always think that I want to be you when I grown up. Thank you.
Okay, since I know her, I'm changing the question because it should be very genuine. Okay, my next question, I didn't expect this answer from her. So my next question for you, I'm asking again. Pragati, what is modeling according to you, and how important modeling is important in your life?
Modeling is important to me because I'm from this Brahmin caste. So Brahmin parents doesn't leave for this modeling, etc., whatever it is. But they sent me here. I'm thankful for my parents. I'm thank you, mom, for sending me this, for giving me this opportunity here. And thank you, Anish sir, for giving this opportunity. I think modeling is important to me because I love modeling.
So my next question is, what is your weakness and what is your strength? Are you nervous?
My strength are my parents and my nervous weakness.
I'll ask you other question. Who do you choose, your mom or your dad?
Both of them. Because my parents support us.
My next question is, what is the 2 qualities of being a model? 2 qualities.
First of all, I think confidence is very important, and second one is the way we pose and the way we walk. That's important. Thank you.
Okay, my next question is for contestant number 3. Your good name? Ritu. Okay, my question is, Ritu, how will you receive if you're not winning this pageant today?
So, good evening, judges and everyone over here. So, thanks for asking this question. And I would actually not be like sad when I don't achieve this award. I will take it as a challenge, and I'll be like I should perform my next time the best, and I'll go with confidence back. I make sure that. Thank you.
That's the confidence we need from inside. Also, my next question for contestant number 4. Looking pretty. Nice. Okay. My question is, what is modeling and what is fashion show according to you?
First of all, good evening everyone, and thanks for asking me this question. Modeling is all about how you represent yourself. Your dress matters, and the way you represent yourself. Discipline is most important thing, which I think I carry it well. And when it comes to the fashion show, it is like the designer's costume you represent it. So thank you.
That's nice. So, we'll go ahead.
Well, thank you contestants for giving such bright answers. Well, it's going to be a tough competition.
That's not fair. Let us go home peacefully. These beautiful ladies will be one of these beautiful contestants will be badging in the title winner. Ladies and gentlemen, I take full pride and honor to present the India Top Star Model. The national level beauty pageant title winner goes to Miss Lancy. Congratulations once again to Miss Lancy for securing the title winner of India Top Star Model, the national level beauty pageant 2024. Congratulations to the contestant named Lancy for securing the Miss category title winner at the Miss India Top Star Model.
Like others doing it, then it comes like how you dress up. Like this show.
Once again, thank you for asking the question. So first thing, according to me, beauty pageant. So we need to also have few things that where we can come to this platform that has first thing according to me is discipline. And when you come to beauty pageant, it is the way how you explore yourself or how you show up yourself. Might be like self-confidence and the way you dress up. Self-confidence matters. I'm sorry, I'm a bit nervous because this is my first event. And beauty pageant is all about the color you also combinate and the way you walk. And so according to me, beauty pageant is all about this. So thank you.
Successfully the India Top Star Model, the national level beauty pageant 2024. We are waiting for the next season, the India Top Star Model. Hip hip hooray! Once again, thank you again. Signing off, MC Moon and Anish Creations. Once again, big round of applause for all of us and title winners. Hip hip hooray!
Okay.